Hello guys, good day. So this is me again. You're welcome to my YouTube channel. So before we get started in this update, this is an update that you can mine Toki coin. Then you swap the Toki coin to USDT and withdraw that down to your exchange. Any exchange you're using, you can withdraw your token coin. Or you're not withdrawing the token coin, you just swap it to USDT straight to your exchange. That's the best thing to do. So before we get started in this video, I want you to smash the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel so you get to participate in my giveaway, and whenever I drop a awesome video like this, YouTube is going to send you a notification. Let's get right started. So now I'm mining 8.34000 token coin per hour. So currently now this is just a new account, not too long. So my mining section will end in 2 hours 14 minutes 13 seconds. So all you have to do is you're going to grab the link to this website in my Telegram channel. You just have to go there and grab the link. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So once you go to the description of this video or the pinned comments, you are going to get the link to my Telegram channel. That is where you're going to get this Telegram mining site link. So don't miss a thing. All you have to do, just go now and grab and register. It won't take you long. You just input your email and stuff like that, your name. No stress, no much stress. So this is where it happens. Okay, let me say Toki/USDT. So the minimum conversion of this Toki coin is 99.99 Toki coin. So once you've gotten to at least 10,000 Toki coin, you come here, you click on the amount of Toki, then you click on this confirm. Once you click on this confirm, you swap it straight to USDT. Then that USDT you can withdraw. So if you want to upgrade your miner, if you refer friends, this is where you get commission from them. That is, if you want to upgrade now, you come to this place. It is not a must. You can mine this Toki coin for free. So if you are upgrading, if you pay 12 USDT, you are going to the project is going to last for 8 days. If you upgrade to this 12 USDT, it won't take long. So you are mining this Toki coin for 8 days, 24,000 Toki coins. You convert to USDT each day and you can withdraw. So this is a very long time project. I just advise you to grab the opportunity now. Don't miss a thing. So don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. These are different plans you can purchase. It's on you, but you can stay on the free plan. It is not a must that you should purchase a plan. So it's on you. Thanks.